what is the empirical formula of butane. Now, the molecular formula of butane, okay, is C4H10. To get the empirical formula, we just have to divide the subscripts here, which are 4 and 10, by their greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor of 4 and 10 is just 2. All right. So for carbon, we have 4 atoms of carbon there. We divide it by 2. So we get 2 atoms of carbon. And for hydrogen, we have 10 atoms divided by 2. Then we have 5. Therefore, the empirical formula is just C2H5. So the answer here is letter B. When zinc is added to copper 2 sulfate solution, copper is formed. Which of these is the best name for this type of reaction? So let's write the chemical reaction first. So it says zinc is added to copper sulfate, and then it forms copper. So this will form zinc sulfate and copper. All right. So the reaction that takes place here, or the type of reaction for this one, is called the displacement reaction. So the answer here is letter B. Okay, the same number, when zinc is added to copper 2 sulfate solution, copper is formed. Question B, which is the ionic half equation for a process that takes place during this reaction? So during the reaction between zinc and copper 2 sulfate, zinc atoms lose electrons to form zinc ions. So our reaction would become zinc. Then we have the zinc ion. Then it loses 2 electrons. On the other hand, copper 2 ions are reduced. So we have copper ion. Then, okay, this one is reduced. Now let's take a look at the given choices.